So one of the other sections that I can work with is the image section. To add that, I'm just going to click on the new section right over here, just like that. And over here on the left side, you can see that there is an image section. So this is just a plain image right over here, which you can use to add in banners or something like that on the beginning of the page as well. So I'm just going to choose the one that I like right over here, and the image section will be added in right over here. So in the image section, I can change my image title. So I'm just going to say something like tube right over here. And then the subtitle, lessons at your convenience right over here. So I'm just going to type in these things just like that. So I can work around with the paragraph as well, because that is an optional thing right here. And then I can add in buttons over here as well. This is usually a good setting if you want to keep this in the beginning of the page as well. You can go to edit and replace the image according to your choice as well, and work around with the image of your choice. I'm just going to go to site files right over there and choose the image that I have stored out. So once I change that out, you can see that the image changes just like that as well. So now you can also go to design and choose different layout for the image section. So you can see that image section is more like the background is full of image, and image is more of a focus right over here rather than the picture itself. So you can choose the image just like that and work around it with it just like that, as you can see. So you can work around with it, choose this, and the image will be replaced right over here just like that. As you can see, you can also work around with the box, change the box color over here if in different layouts as well. And that is how you can work around with the image section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.